Okay, working on it. Some seasoned rice with some jalapenos in it. Some steak cooked in beef broth. Some bacon fried up. 10 eggs. 10 eggs. And a little more. Little half and half. A little Mexicana or crema Mexicana. That was thicker than usual. But tastes so good. Little salt. Little pepper. Cheese for the future. Hickory Smokehouse blend, limited edition, and a little Carolina Reaper. Gonna mix this up, then cook it up in a pan with butter with canola oil. Okay, time to mix together so I can form burritos. The eggs. The rice. The steak. Oh shit. The bacon. A little Carolina Reaper cheese, if I can get it open. Just a little. This stuff is very hot. And a little more. I like hot. Some hickory smokehouse blend. All right, time to mix together. You get the point. Okay, mixed together. Got my burritos, burrito shell, and sealing egg wash. We're gonna make breakfast burritos. Good. Form it up. Fold both sides. Tuck it in. A little egg wash to seal. On the parchment paper, and we're ready to go for the next. Got a lot to do here. A little more. That looks good. Pull in. Fold over. Little egg wash to seal. I seal these because normally I deep fry them when done. Or should I say, when frozen. Make sure these are separated. Alright, time for the next. Got 9 burritos done. They're gonna go in the freezers. But I effed up a 10th. It split. What can you do? Dinner. Okay, they have frozen. I've got them frozen. And I'm vacuum sealing them to keep frost from developing on them. Here we go. Alright. Watch for the red light. Red light, sealing. Okay, there is only one during inspection I'm concerned with. It's fractured a little, so it won't work good in the deep fryer. So I'm putting bake on it. But 9 breakfast burritos with bacon and steak.